In this lesson, we are going to learn what is the differences between SEO versus SEM, also known as search engine optimization versus search engine marketing. SEM and SEO is not the same thing. SEO is a process of improving your site position in search engine organic or non-paid search results, where a search engine marketing refers to optimization of the paid advertisements on search engine results page. This also known as PPC advertising, which is displaying ads on SERP results pages. So SEO is for organic non-paid optimization. SEM is optimizing the ads which is getting displayed on search results page. Bing and Google are the two most popular search engine that offers PPC ads for their search users. Now we will take a look into the advantages of both SEO and advantages of SEM over each other. First, let us take a look into advantages of using SEO over SEM. You don't need to pay for clicks since search traffic is free. But in SEM, you need to pay for every click you receive, even if they leave your website as soon as they clicked or didn't make any interactions within your website. Many people block search engine and other websites advertisement with their ad blocker technology. Ad blocking technology is a certain software or device level protection where it can essentially identify ads where when you visit search engines or website, and it can block those ads so the user won't even see those ads. According to a report in United States alone, 27% of users block ads using ad blocking technique. So there are so many thousands of people who are using ad blockers technology. So if you use SEM methods, these people won't be able to see your ads. Report shows that ads have lower click-through than click-through rate. What we mean by click-through is number of people who are clicking on the result. It is lower compared to organic listing. There can be many reasons for this, factors ranging from psychology to tech. Even though SEO is lower to SEM, but SEO has higher chances of huge profit and return on investment in long run. Now let's quickly take a look into the advantages of using SEM over SEO. In SEO, you can't expect results within short time frame, but with SEM you can expect it, because as soon as you set up an ad campaign and when it's published, then your ad will be shown to all your targeted audience in search results. You can target many keywords at once. PPC ads cost will range according to the industry and number of advertisers bidding for that keyword. It can range anywhere from 10 penny to $500 or more according to the geographical location or the search market. So for every click, when you have enough budget, then you can target instantly as many keywords as you want using SEM. You don't need to worry about SEO. SEM is not about SEO optimization, where you don't need to worry about on-page optimization, backlink, SEO power, competitors SEO score. It is all about spending money on ads and managing your ads effectively. So if you decided to choose SEM, then you don't need to worry about any SEO factors. SEM is very responsive and flexible, since you can expect to see results With SEM, you can immediately check whether the chosen keyword or niche is profitable, or does it require any changes on your end, or any changes you make, how does it impact the conversation rates, and in the end you can easily adjust accordingly and restart the process. This make your workflow very flexible and fast for changes, and due to this SEM can be profitable in the short run. So in conclusion, both SEO and SEM are great digital marketing strategies. Both have various pros and cons as we seen in this lesson. There is no right or wrong strategy. Instead, you choose whichever the strategy you want to focus more according to your requirement. Sometimes you don't even need to choose one particular strategy. Instead, you can start working on both simultaneously, where you get result in short term through SEM, since SEO takes time, and get higher return on investment in long term through SEO, since you don't need to pay for every click. So that should clarify the differences of search engine optimization and search engine marketing.